input shaft, output shaft, first gear, fourth gear, third gear, second gear, fifth gear, and this is fixed, free, fixed, free, fixed, and this is opposite, free, fixed, free, fixed, free. Now this is neutral position. As you can see, the output shaft doesn't rotate. Since this is fixed and this is free, this should be made fixed to get output. So that this meshes inside. You can see here. So the arm moves that gear inside. So now you have rotation outside. So this is first gear. For second gear, this comes out, and for us our second gear is here. So this free gear should become fixed. So this is mode inside. Now you have output on the other side. Now for the third gear, this should come out to neutral position. Likewise, now it's in neutral position. Now, and for the third gear, this is a free gear and this is fixed gear. So this slides in, and now you have third gear output. Now for the fourth gear, this comes out and goes to neutral position. Now for the fourth gear, this is a free gear and this is fixed gear, so this should be made fixed. So that time this is moved back and you have fourth gear output. And for the fifth gear, again it comes back to neutral position, like so. And for fifth gear it's moved this way. So now you have fifth gear output. So this is how a 5-speed constant mesh gearbox works.